Hello, all of you. Hope you are doing well and working hard. Today, I'll be discussing a concept on profit loss. Okay, it's such a topic that everyone has basic idea about profit and loss. So, uh, the discussion, if I start on the basic things, we can say the cost price, and from cost price, if I am going for the selling price, so that increment is known as profit. There is also a market price. So from the market price, if you are coming to the selling price, that part is known as a discount. So the difference of profit, the difference of selling price and the cost price is profit, and this difference of market price and the mark price, whatever you say, and the selling price is known as discount. So if I am to establish a formula for the profit percentage, this is the basic difference of selling price and the cost price and divided by the cost price. So profit percentage is always calculated on the cost price. Similarly, the formula for discount percentage would be market price minus the selling price divided by the market price, because we are getting the discount from the market price only into 100. And what happens usually, a shopkeeper increases the price to market price from the cost price, and then they give some discount to have profit. So this increment from the cost price to the market price is known as a markup. So what is a markup? He's the seller has bought some item and he will increase the price and then will give some discount. So that increment from the cost price to the market price is known as markup. Formula for the markup percentage, mu, equals to market price minus the cost price, and I'm increasing the cost price. So the base is the cost price only. So the main point is about the base. What is the base? Is the value from where you are increasing the price or decreasing the price. For profit, I'm increasing the price from cost price. So the base is the cost price. For discount, I'm decreasing the price of market price. So the base is market price, and here the same for cost price. Here I'll be discussing a concept which is very, very important for profit loss and discount. I'll be discussing many concepts. So this is the first concept I'm going to be discussing. This is known as like change of base, I can say. What is the change of base? It is like, say the selling price of an item is 100 and the profit percentage is 25%. The question is, find the profit value. Find the profit value. So you cannot directly take 25% of 100 because profit percentage is calculated on the cost price, and this is not a cost price, this is a selling price. So what you have to do, you have to convert this profit percentage, which is 25%, which is 1 by 4 as well. 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. From the cost price, from to the profit percentage calculated on the selling price. Now, how do you calculate? 1 out of 4, what do you mean by that? If you look at the formula for profit percentage, in the formula, the numerator is the profit, selling price minus cost price. So here, this 1 is the profit. and uh, the base is the cost price. So here this 4 is the cost price. So can I say that basically 1 by 4 or 25% means he is making 1 rupees profit on 4 rupees cost price? That means you bought the item at 4 rupees, and when selling it, you are selling at 1 rupees profit. So what is your selling price? 4 rupees is the cost price. You are making 1 rupees profit. So you must sell it at 4 plus 1, 5 rupees. So when I'm calculating the profit percentage on the selling price, this is 1 out of selling price. That is equal to 25%, 20%. I'll make one example, another example. I'll take another example. So let me complete this question. So the profit value is equals to 1 by 5 of 100, because 1 by 5 is basically the profit calculated on the selling price, and this is selling price. So I can take 1 by 5 of 100, which is 20 rupees. Take next example. Say the profit percentage is 50%. Find out the profit percentage calculated on the selling price. So how do you convert? How do you change the base? 50% is 50 by 100, which is 1 by 2. So now let me analyze what is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 is the profit, 2 is the cost price. That means you bought the item at 2 rupees and you want to make a profit of 1 rupees. So you are going to sell it at 3 rupees. So profit percentage of the selling price will be 1 rupees profit on the selling price of 3 rupees, which is into 100 you do 33.33. I hope things are clear. Take one more example for your convenience. Profit percentage is 40%. Question is, find out the profit percentage on the selling price. What is this? This means 2 by 5. What is 2 by 5 means? 2 is the profit, 5 is the cost price. So what is the selling price? 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. Here what I did, the selling price is 2 plus 1 rupees profit, 3 rupees this way. So the selling price profit would be 2 out of 7 into 100, 28.57. I can go with the same concept if there is a loss. If I say loss percentage is 1 by 6 or 16.66 percentage. What is this? 1 by 6. What do you mean by 1 by 6? 1 rupees is the loss on the cost price of 6 rupees. Now make a note that you are making a loss. You bought it at 6 rupees, you are making a loss. So you are selling at a less price. So the selling price would be 6 minus 1, 5. So loss percentage on the selling price is equals to 1 out of 5 into 100, 20%. Got it? So we got a question based on the same. Take 1 minute, pause the video. Try and then look at the solution. Don't jump into the solution directly. So selling price of the first is double the selling price of the second. Okay. And then the question says profit percentage is uh, 20% in the first attempt. 20% is 20 by 100, which makes it 1 by 5. And here also the loss percentage is 10%. 10% is 10 by 100, which is 1 by 10. But these are calculated on the profit percentage, and the loss percentage are always calculated on the cost price. Here the cost price are not given, selling prices are given. So the point is you should convert them into the profit percentage calculated on the selling price. You know the concept. 1 rupees profit on 5 rupees cost price. So selling price would be 6. Profit percentage will be 1 by 6. Now I can take 1 by 6 of the selling price. Here also, the loss percentage on the selling price is equals to 1 rupees loss out of 10 rupees. So 1 by 9 of the selling price. So now I can understand that whatever the selling price you should take for the sake of calculation, this should be divided by 9 and this should be divided by 6. So why don't you take a good value which is divisible by both 6 and 9? Isn't it? 54, 18, whatever value you take, it should be divisible by both 6 and 9. Any value you choose, 36, anything you can choose. Okay. So if I take this is 36, that selling price is double, no? 36 into 2, it should be 72. So when I am calculating this, I should take 1 by 6 of 72, which makes it 12 rupees profit. Okay. And for this, I should take 1 by 9 of 36, which makes it 4 rupees loss. So 12 rupees profit, 4 rupees loss, which will ultimately give you a profit of 12 minus 4, 8 rupees. So if you calculate the total selling price, which was 72 plus 36, 108. And if you want to calculate the total cost price, in this 108, you made a profit of 8 rupees. So the cost price was minus 8, 100 rupees. Now you can easily check that the cost price was 100, selling price was 8, is 8. So you made a profit of 8%. I hope you understood. Wait for the next video. Thank you.